Silonn Ice Maker Troubleshooting. Power issues. Power issues with your Silonn Ice Maker can disrupt your ice-making routine. Understanding these issues can help resolve them quickly. This section addresses common power-related problems you might face. Ice Maker not turning on. If your Silonn Ice Maker is not turning on, start by checking the power cord. Ensure it is securely plugged into a working outlet. Look for any visible damage to the cord. Next, check the power switch. Make sure it is in the on position. Sometimes the switch may accidentally get turned off. Inspect the circuit breaker. If it has tripped, reset it. This might resolve the issue. Frequent power loss. Frequent power loss can be frustrating. First, check if other appliances are causing an overload. Use a different outlet to test your ice maker. Examine the power cord and connections. Loose or damaged cords can lead to power issues. Replace the cord if necessary. Consider the voltage requirements of your ice maker. Ensure your power supply meets these requirements. If not, use a voltage stabilizer. Regular maintenance can also prevent power issues. Clean the ice maker regularly and keep it in a well-ventilated area. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.